Hey folks, welcome to Blackbeard's Detail and YouTube channel. I'm Ross, there is Bob, or Bob there.
Hey!
Okay, Sean, Josh and Stu with the antlers there. And this is our 2023 Christmas toy drive. It says we've basically just started today. We've been up for hours clearing all the snow out the front. It's pretty horrific weather. And first car done, which is the camerawoman's car, Jules. So this is all we've got so far. So we've had Castlecary Motor Company donate £200, Homecare Services donated 200. We've had Stu, who is there, Fulcrum Training, got all those selection boxes, there's loads of them, as well as donating his time for coming up here. And yeah, this is everything we've picked up so far with the customers who, when they've picked up their cars after they've been coated and stuff, have dropped off toys. So big thank you to everybody who's dropped off stuff already. That's alright, Jules is currently panicked because the screens went off on the camera, but that's fine. Then obviously we've got the rest of this stuff there. We also had a £200 voucher donated by Smyths Toys in Glasgow, so big thank you to them. It's freezing cold, so again thanks to everybody who's offered their time to come up and help. And yeah, today we're just going to get stuck in, try and get as much toys as we can for Coatbridge Community Foodbank. And yeah, hopefully you join us for the day. Well folks, that's the day finished, and an incredible amount of cars in and an incredible amount of gifts donated. So if you come in with me, yeah, you'll see. So we've got the ramp, which is pretty much full of toys. Put some boards down on there, and yeah, you can see everything we've got. Wrestling stuff, soft toys, Nerf guns, tractors, trains, massive selection boxes, tiddly toys, and then a full range of everything up there. Remote control cars, dolls, stuff for all kids. So yeah, absolutely massive thank you to everybody who donated, everybody who popped up. Special thanks to Stuart at Fulcrum Training. He donated a whole bunch of selection boxes in his time. Get Castlecary Motor Company, who donated a big stack of money for toys. Smyths stores in Glasgow, again for donating £200 in vouchers. And we've got Homecare installations in Cumbernauld, who also donated £200. Gtechniq, who donated all our wash materials, fallout remover, snow foam, citrus wash, quick detailer for all the cars that we're in. And then last but not least, all the helpers who came up. Really could not have done this without them. Just Josh and I here, which are kind of normal members of staff, so everybody that came up, it helped. It took a massive amount of stress off the day. So again, thank you very much everybody for donating. If I've missed anybody out, I'm really sorry. I'm doing this off the top of my head, and I'll make mention of all the sponsors, all the people who donated in the comments section, so please check them out. Again, thank you very much for watching. Hope you all have a very nice Christmas and New Year when it comes. And on behalf of the whole Blackbeard's team, thank you.